Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all will be doing great. So welcome again to my YouTube channel Speak with Rohit. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you know, my name is Rohit and I try to share some opinions and some tips and tricks to learn English here. So today's video is about how to gain confidence and how to become quite habitual of speaking in English. So let's get started. The first one that you need to do, grab opportunities. Whenever you get opportunity, whenever you find anyone is speaking in English, that you need to strike conversation on your own. Doesn't matter that person is curious to talk to you or not, but if you want to learn, then you have to step here first. So go there and grab this opportunity, talk to that person, and whatever knowledge you can gain from there, just gain. And apart from this, you have to do something out of the box. Means I don't want out of the box means we usually do the same thing every day. Do you have to put yourself into uncomfort zone once or twice in a week? Because we always try to save ourselves from the obstacles, from the difficulties. But if you want to come over from this, so you have to face it, because you know it is the reality. When you have fear of something, just do it again and again. So it is also like that. Whenever you get chance, don't lose that. Speak to with those persons and try to do some things which is where you are not comfortable in, so that after a certain time you will feel confidence and you will have a lot of things in your mind to speak. Because when we speak, we get stuck after a while. Why does it happen with you? Because we have a limited knowledge and limited conversation thoughts and I can say emotions and sentences. But when you talk to different persons, you get to know some others knowledge from there, some other way of speaking, because everyone is using different way of speaking and you have your own. So when you speak different people, then you get to learn from there. So grab opportunities, put yourself in uncomfort zone once or twice in a week. And the second thing that you have to follow, whenever you get any email messages or anything which is used in your personal life, when you use your mobile phone, try to read all those things, how the words are being used there. And immerse yourself in English. You are using social media, use in English. You are talking to someone and other person is able to understand English, so don't use Hindi at the time. Just speak in English. Might be that person will make fun of you, but it doesn't mean. It is their work. Let them do and do your own. Enhance your communication. If you want to do this, in India, you know, it is quite difficult to convince other person to talk to you in English. They always make fun of you and they always judge you in different parameters, but you don't need to think about them. If you want to make yourself a good communicator in the future, then you have to practice more and more, and then you have to do whatever is the need for you. Let them help. So I have told you 3 things in this video. The first one, grab opportunities, don't lose chance to speak to someone. And the second one is put yourself in uncomfort zone once or twice in a week. Whatever you do not do just because of your fear, do it. And of course you have to do it if you want to overcome from this. And the third one, immerse yourself in English, make your environment, make your atmosphere in English, so that you will be familiar of English after a certain time. So these are the steps if you want to be confident and speak something like a good communicator or fluently English speaking. You want to enhance your fluency, so you have to follow these ways. I hope it will be helpful for you and you are going to get to learn something from here. Thank you.